Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel from the right side, it doesn't matter from which side you pull it down, and expand it to locate your hotspot toggle. And for me, it looks like it might, oh no, there it is. So it's right here, but as you can see, I have airplane mode on, so it's showing up as gray. Now that it's disabled, I can actually locate it. So once you find your hotspot toggle, which this is the default location of it, so for you to be right about in the same place. So once you locate it, you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to this, the settings page, where you will be able to customize things like the hotspot password. So let's select in the second option, set up portable hotspot. As you can see, there's our password. You can tap on this little eye icon, there we go, to reveal the randomly generated password. As you can see, it's not easy to remember, so I'm just going to remove it and set my own. Once you remove the entire password, it lets you know that the password needs to have at least 8 characters in length. There we go, and then you can save it. There's a couple additional options like hide SSID, which I don't recommend. You will need to then put in your Wi-Fi manually, so the name and the password, and like the odd hotspot or odd Wi-Fi options. We have device info, so just portable hotspot, and security. I'd say I wouldn't recommend changing any of them. The only thing that you probably could change is just the name of the hotspot. This is going to be the name of Wi-Fi that it's going to create. I'm going to keep it as it is anyway. So let's save it, and there we go. That's basically hotspot setup. So now we can toggle it on from here, like so. And right now the hotspot is working, which you can see also right here. It's active, and do we have any kind of pop-up? It looks like we don't. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't show up in the notifications with any kind of hotspot message. Now once you're done with your hotspot, I do recommend trying to remember to turn it off. It does use more battery, so there is really no reason for it to be running in the background if you're not using it. And all you need to do is tap on it to toggle it off. So there we go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.